कब से आपने एक्टिंग शुरू की और अब कहाँ पहुंचे अभी तक?
देखो ड्रामा तो मैं बचपन से कर रही हूँ
कभी कभी हम ऐसे सोचते हैं ना कि इंट्रो देंगे, ऑडिशन देंगे एंड कभी सिलेक्शन ना हो या
Okay, you are not going to see results in one night. You will have to struggle. जो struggling phase जो होता है वो actual होता है.
Which casting agency you work for, if you want to name it?
There is a casting going here and there. So I asked which casting, which production.
and this is my first audition here.
You can just simply block them.
So कैसा था आज का आप लोगों का introduction and auditions?
The introduction was very nice and surprisingly line was not that long, so we got in there easily and quickly, and also we had fans and AC this time for the queue, so it's good. वरना गर्मी में खड़ा होना पड़ता.
What about you?
Today is like my second day in Mumbai. I just came yesterday because मेरा एक फिल्म वो मामी फेस्टिवल में सेलेक्ट हुआ. That's why I came.
Congratulations.
So Mumbai's traffic is horrible. Otherwise, you guys are awesome. Because मैं कहीं भी जा रही हूँ ना तो पूछ रही हूँ ये यहाँ से ये. So this is really amazing city. And this is my first audition here. So
Okay.
yeah, it's nice.
Great. Where are you from? अब कहाँ से? You from? अरे वाह खूब ভালো.
अच्छा. Thank you.
আমি একটা বাঙালি জানি.
আচ্ছা, সো ঠিক আছে, কখনো কলকাতায় আসবেন, ডেফিনেটলি আই উইল গাইড ইউ.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
What's
thank
your
you.
name, guys, by the way?
বৃষ্টি রায়.
Vrishti Rai. Nice to
Yeah.
meet you. आपका?
I'm Priyansh Bhatia.
Nice to meet you, Priyansh.
Suhani Singh.
Oh, great. Nice to meet you, Suhani.
Nice to meet you.
So can you guys help me that your acting journey you started कब से शुरू किया और अभी आप कहाँ? जैसे आपने बताया that you from Kolkata and ये आपका second day है मुंबई में.
हाँ.
You are totally new.
Yeah, in Mumbai I'm totally new.
Okay.
But in Kolkata I was doing acting for last 12 years.
Oh,
I have
good.
done several TV serials, movies, ad shoot.
In Kolkata only?
Yeah, in Kolkata only. But in Mumbai, yeah, this is my second and it's like thrilling. I know I need to go a long journey, but I'm waiting.
Great. What about you guys?
I have been doing theatre for like 3-4 years now. Like I started doing in school and then college, and now I'm doing commercial theatre with a few theatre groups. And I also work at a casting agency right now.
Okay.
So I'm doing that, and apart from that, I'm like applying for maybe digital ads and like voice acting. I'm into that.
Okay. Which casting agency you work for, if you want to name it or something?
I work at So Grateful Casting Agency.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. What about you? कब से आपने एक्टिंग शुरू की और अब कहाँ पहुंचे अभी तक?
देखो ड्रामा तो मैं बचपन से कर रही हूँ बट हाँ every time I saw any movie or any TV serial or any ad, I knew that I wanted to be in the TV, not just watch TV.
Yeah,
so that's where the want for being an actor started. But I was in Delhi, I was in school, I was a very shy kid, so I didn't actually try to act. But then I got into a good college in Bombay, and then I got into the theatre group. So from there I started acting, and I was like, oh wow, I can act.
Great.
So after that I started doing theatre, I started doing short films, I made a short film of my own, and then I'm also into modeling, I'm an influencer as well. So now, yeah, I'm just trying to make my way in Bombay and be a good actor, not just any actor. Yeah.
All the best for that.
Thank you so much.
Any advice that you wanted to share with upcoming actors or जो new to Bombay है उनके साथ?
It seems a little scary at first.
Okay.
ऐसा लगता है नहीं हो पाएगा, but you have to keep that belief. Yeah, you have to keep that belief.
Everything.
Okay.
Just focus on your stuff.
Don't listen to anyone or anybody who tells you that this can't be done, because it's their fear which they are stating, not yours. So believe in yourself and keep doing the work and keep doing good work. And yeah, just know that why are you acting? What is the main aim for you to become an actor? Like, what is the greater purpose of it all? And then you'll keep going.
Tell me about that journey you started in acting recently.
जर्नी मेरी एक्चुअली लॉकडाउन से स्टार्ट हुई. लॉकडाउन में आई डिसाइडेड, जब मेरी एजुकेशन कंप्लीट हो गई तब मैंने डिसाइड किया कि यार मुझे एक्टिंग परस्यू करना है. तो यार तब से फिर मैंने थिएटर किया एंड अब मैंने ऑडिशंस देने स्टार्ट करे हैं.
And do you have any advice for newcomers?
न्यूकमर्स जस्ट ऑडिशंस देते रहो, इंट्रो देते रहो, तो उससे ज़्यादा इजी होगा आपके लिए. बिकॉज कभी कभी हम ऐसे सोचते हैं ना कि इंट्रो देंगे, ऑडिशन देंगे एंड कभी सिलेक्शन ना हो या कुछ हो, तो उससे ना क्या होता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा हमारे लिए प्रैक्टिस हो जाती है ऑडिशन एंड इंट्रो से.
Great. And what's your recent project which you have done recently and something?
मैंने एक डिजिटल ऐड करी है.
Okay, great. What was your character and role?
It was for animal food. So उसमें कोई कैरेक्टर वैसे नहीं था, but animals के लिए था वो.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So आप लोग अभी walk-ins जो भी auditions आ रहे हैं वहाँ पे auditions कर रहे हो, right?
Yes.
What other sources you guys use to search auditions?
So I think what I personally do is I follow all the casting pages on Instagram, and whenever they post a requirement, they usually ask you to email. So I do that. Like I send my profile via email or something. However they ask.
Okay.
Same goes. Yeah.
Okay. एक बहुत ट्रिकी सा क्वेश्चन है
Okay.
वो सभी के लिए जो न्यूकमर्स हैं और जो एक्सपीरियंस एक्टर्स हैं उन सभी ने फेस किया है इस अंधेरी वेस्ट आराम नगर के या नियर बाय लोकेशन जहाँ पर ऑडिशंस होते हैं. हाउ डू यू गाइस फिल्टर अबाउट दैट फेक पीपल,
Fake as in fake auditions. you mean?
फेक ऑडिशंस और समथिंग लाइक लोग कहते हैं ना, मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे इंटरनेट पे मैंने देखा है जहाँ पर लोग कहते हैं कि भाई मैं गया था यहाँ पर पैसे मांग रहे हैं और ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती है. लाइक हमें पता चलता है कि वहाँ काम नहीं हो रहा है पर दोज आर लाइक इनटू दैट कि हाँ चलो काम मिलेगा, पर हम पहुँच जाते हैं जिससे हमारा समय पैसा सब कुछ बर्बाद होता है. राइट. सो हाउ डू यू फील, हैव यू फेल्ट दैट, कभी ऐसा फील हुआ है आपको ऐसा?
आज तक तो मुझे नहीं हुआ है.
So I think what you can do is you can filter that out by doing a little bit research, because there are some good casting agencies that are very active on social media. So before coming for auditions, you can research, because today you can find out everything on social media. So if you have never heard of a casting agency, they don't have an Instagram page. You don't know how do they exist, and if you feel shady vibes, then just don't opt for it.
Like I have got random messages in WhatsApp saying that there is a casting going here and that. So I asked which casting, which production, and do you have an Instagram page or something? So you can just tell me that. And they never reply only. Scene पे छोड़ देते हैं. So we can filter out like that.
You can just simply block them.
Yeah, that's better.
The good thing is everything is digital today. So
Before sharing profile,
you don't have many encounters personally wherein you meet fake people or you meet some people who have some wrong intentions, because mostly everything is online now, and offline auditions are usually go for very renowned casting agencies that are very known, and the people that work in them are very genuine. True. That's what I prefer.
I agree.
Okay. Tell me about your journey as an actor, when you started and where you are right now.
Okay, so like I've just completed my graduation in Bachelor's of Mass Media and Communication.
Great.
And I'm doing modeling and acting both ways since then. And it's been 2 years since I've done it, and I've done a couple of projects. Recently, I was featured in Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma.
Wow.
And I've been doing short films and ads, etc. So it's going pretty well.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from I'm born and brought up in Mumbai. लेकिन मैं यूपी से हूँ. I'm Mishra.
Okay, great. Thank you guys. You wanted to share anything which is help upcoming actor जो अभी एक दिन हुआ या अभी आ रहे हैं, आधे रास्ते में पहुंचे हैं, ट्रेन में बैठा या कल कोई निकलने वाला है.
Right.
Wanted to share something the upcoming guys?
I think it requires a lot of dedication and a lot of hard work. Okay, you are not going to see results in one night. You will have to struggle. जो struggling phase जो होता है वो actual होता है. आपको सही में मैदान में उतरना पड़ेगा और बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, लेकिन अगर आप वो करते हैं तो आपको results अवश्य मिलेंगे. That is what I want to say.
आपका क्या राय है इस पे? Thank you guys. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thanks for your
you.
time.